Welcome back to the next session, manage and delete pages. In this session, we are going to see how to manage the page and delete the page reference which we have created in the process. In the earlier session, we have seen how to create a page reference and how to call the page reference into the process main page. So there are some certain steps you have to follow to manage the page or to delete the pages. The first one is like just right click on the process existing main page or process existing page name and select manage page option. So based on the selections, you will get a manage pages as a prompt pop-up. So select the required page, what you want to do, and use options like arranging upside and down. So you can arrange it like in the sequence, which sequence you want to keep your process page references using upside and up and down arrows, and you have a copy and deletion other option as well. So this is on the theoretical version of managing and deleting page. Anyway, coming up next, I'm going to show you in live with Blue Prism how to manage the page and how to arrange the page as per your business flow as a sequence. This is the same page reference process which we've used in the earlier section for creating and referring the page reference. And in this, we are going to see how to manage and delete the page reference. So as explained in the theoretical session, just right click on the page, which can be a main page or any subsequent pages. And right clicking on that, you will have options called manage pages. But before that, you will have a couple of options which is faded out for main page alone, because you cannot delete main page or you cannot take a duplicate of the main page. So that is given inbuilt by Blue Prism. And even you cannot rename it. But that is only for main page, not for all other pages. You can rename whenever you need. So you don't have any restriction in renaming other than main page. So coming back to the second page, you will have options like duplicate. Clicking on duplicate, you will have a copy of the same page again, and clicking on delete, it will get deleted. So you can rename as well by the same way, cut copy. So it's a basic simple Microsoft application activity similar to that. And last two options like find reference and manage pages. So let's come back to manage page first, and then we'll go back to the find reference. So managing page, as soon as you click manage page, you will have a pop-up called manage pages. In that, it will have the list of pages arranged in the sequence. You will not have main page because main page will not come into this place as it is already in the initial order or initial place where you cannot sequence that main page in the other places. So select the page which you want to push or which you want to rearrange it in the sequence. So I want to make my startup page to the second page. So I just click the down arrow here so that my startup page will go to the second position, and I'm going to click OK. So as soon as you click OK, you can see main page closed down, startup will be the second page, and sample will be followed by that. So that's most of the actions where you can do with the manage option, because it will help to arrange your process pages so that you will have a proper business flow sequence. So find reference is nothing but like where the page is being referred. So close down is referred to main page, okay, and startup page, it's also referred to the main page. It will basically help you to explore where the page has been referred. So that is the basic action. So you can use startup and closed down pages that you can easily see here, as it has been referred to the process page, and page name is main page. So it is true that it has been referred here to places which is a startup page and closed down page. So that is more of finding the reference where it has been linked or where it has been connected apart from the pages. So that's pretty much on managing the page and deleting the pages. See you in the next session.